The Ultenic U16 Flex cordless vacuum offers powerful cleaning performance with its 550-watt motor and 50 kilopascal suction, making it ideal for tackling dirt and pet hair on various surfaces. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, this vacuum provides ample time to clean your entire home, and its wall-mounted charging dock ensures it is always ready for use. The innovative 180-degree bendable wand design allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, making cleaning under furniture a breeze. Featuring an anti-tangle brush, this vacuum is perfect for pet owners as it minimizes maintenance time by preventing hair from wrapping around the brush. Equipped with green laser technology, the Ultenic U16 Flex reveals hidden dust, ensuring thorough cleaning even in low-light environments. The advanced 6-layer filtration system captures 99.99% of fine dust particles, promoting cleaner air and a healthier home environment.